This is what inside the train. So it's a crowded time because it's almost 5 p.m. This is inside the train. Now we'll go outside the train. This is the speed of the train. So the speed of the train is fast. If you want to commute, the fastest way to commute is riding in a train. This is going to 82nd Street. 82nd. Now we are on the 90th Street, Elmers Avenue. This is an express train, so the next stop is Junction Boulevard.
Junction Boulevard, an accessible station. Elevator.
So people will be going out, getting out in this station, and people will be getting inside the train.
There are over 150 accessible subway stations.
This station is Junction Boulevard.
For real-time elevator status access. This is a Flushing Main Street Express train. Next village point.
Clear up the closing doors, please.
Now I can sit because a lot of people went away. This is going to Flushing.